everyone, it's Erica with Craftinated, and today I'm super excited to be bringing the next subscription box from Archer and Olive to show you guys what's inside of it. I'm so excited. I haven't opened this up yet. I just got it in the mail a few days ago, and I'm really excited to see what's inside of it. So these boxes are a quarterly subscription box, so it's every 3 months. So this is going to be the March box. They are $75 to new subscribers. I believe they're still $70 if you were a subscriber in the past. And they are just these great art boxes and goodie boxes filled with all kinds of fun Archer and Olive stuff. I love these boxes. They're one of my favorite things that Archer and Olive started doing, and really what made me fall in love with the company. I'm like, yes, I need a subscription box or something like this. So I'll put my affiliate link down in the description below. My affiliate code is Craftinated10, which saves you 10%, but that does not work on these boxes, but will work on other items from the site. So I am on the design team, so I'm super lucky to be getting these things early and getting a sneak peek at what's coming. So I can't wait to see what's inside of here. So let's open it up. Oh my goodness, look at all of those colors. They are so cute. All right, so let's see. First we have an enamel bookmark. And there is a little, it's a leopard. And then we have a really cute leaf on here. Love these bookmarks. They're super cute. Put that over here. And then we have another little box here. I love these boxes. The theme is so cute. So this, I love this cover. So much fun. And it is a little dot grid notepad. So cute. So it has light green, dark green, and then like a yellow. So that's really fun. I love that they have different dot grid pages. They're coming out with a lot more colors recently, and I just think it's so much fun. Like ever since I did the rainbow one with Amy Tan and the Neapolitan, then they did the one in one of the other sub boxes that had the green, the blue, and the craft, and then the light pink that was in the Simply Gilded. Now this, like, forget about it. I love it. All right, so let's see what this is. That's interesting. I didn't really look at the back, but it was there. So let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. I love this leaf. All right, so it's a dot grid, 160 GSM. Let's take a look at the inside. And I love this box, so pretty. Like everything that they do, the packaging is always like on point. Everything always looks so good. I love Archer and Olive. That's why I tried out for their design team. So it's white paper, pen loop, elastic closure. This book belongs to, oh my gosh. So this has perforated pages, so you can tear this out. That is fabulous. That is so exciting. And then we have our 2 bookmarks, one with the charm, one without. But I love that it has the perforated, because I'm not sure if you follow me on Instagram and if you ever come to our live Plan With Me's, my bullet journal is we're only in February and I'm already getting chunky. And how awesome would it be to remove some pages to help give you some of that space between, to like help expand your journal. Or if you want to do something and then you want to transfer it into another journal, you don't have to cut it out. You can just tear it out on the perforation. That's so amazing. And then back here we have a pocket. So that is the journal. I love that. That's so cute. All right, what else do we have in here? So we have some calligraphs. Into the Wild is what they're called. So we have blue, light green, dark green. Ooh, they have names on them. Okay. Come on out. All right. So we have Toucan Orange, Marsh Green, Jungle Green, Parakeet, and Blue Lagoon. And I will try these out in just a second, but I love it. I love it. I love the calligraphs. They're amazing. I like the finer point on the other end. They're just really great pens or markers. I don't know what you would call them. And then we have some coloring pages, 3 sheets. And in the past, their coloring pages have been like, what's the right word? Glossy finish. I really like that these are more of a paper finish. I think that they will be, oh, that's so cute. I think they'll be super fun to fill out and color, and probably a little bit easier and less likely to smudge. And can we also just take a minute to look at how awesome this envelope is? You could put anything over top of this and put this in a B5 size and just have it in there to slide things in. You could totally reuse this, and it's super cute. Alright, so what do we got here? That's the first time I've opened one of these envelopes where I didn't rip the crap out of it. So we have some really cute stickers. Looks like some maybe oranges, some leaves, our happy little leopard friend with oranges and leaves, and then the leopard guy without anything, some florals, some more leaves, some more, I think those are leaves, different leaves, and different leaves. So lots of like different kinds of leaves in here. Definitely jungle, definitely tropical. I love it. These cute little leopards are just chilling. And then you have some fruit. So those are all the stickers. They're super cute. All right, let's put those over here. And then we have one more thing in here, it looks like. Oh, there's another thing. I didn't even see it. There's 2 more. Okay, so then we have some washi. That's fun. And then we have this really, really, really cute bag. I'm so excited for this. Here, let me fluff it out. So, I'm not sure if you can really tell because this isn't the best angle, but it's this huge storage tote to put all kinds of stuff, all these goodies. Maybe you're like me and have every single sub box, mystery box, every box. Like, this is amazing to use to kind of, you know, organize your stuff. I don't know what, I'm guessing that since this has like a hole here, you could like maybe even put like washi on here. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. But it is so nice. It's got a key, like a keychain there. So it's got 6 pockets that are like evenly divided, and then 1 big pocket. And then it has this like hooked one. And then it has this string one. I'll find out more information about this, but I love it. It's huge. And I love the pattern on it. It's so cute. Okay, so now we have the washi. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I didn't even see the washi. It was hiding in there though. So we have, this is so cute. And I love the thickness of this. I do like a thicker washi from time to time. I just don't have many. So this is really cute, kind of like different patterns. Love that. And then we have more leaves. Those leopards again. And then some like leopard spots, but it's like this pink, light pink, darker pink, medium pink, and then like there. That's probably a better way to describe it. So that is everything that came in this box. I'm super excited. Love it all. So we got 4 rolls of washi, a ginormous tote bag. We have 5 new calligraphs. We need to try these out though. So let's see. We have toucan orange. That is fun. That's great. It's like 2 different colors. Let's see, this one is Parakeet. Those are pretty similar, I think, in color. Those 2. Then we have Marsh Green. Ooh, I love that. It's like so subtle of a green. It's really pretty. And then those are the same color. This one is Jungle Green. And those are similar as well. And then this one is Blue Lagoon. I love that color. That's so pretty. Love it. So those are the 5 calligraphs that you get in this box. And they're really pretty new colors. Love it. So let's put those back in their box. So we have the tote, the 4 washi tape, the 5 calligraphs. How many of these stickers do we get? 18 stickers. 3 coloring pages, a really, really pretty journal. Love this cover. Love the perforated pages. That's amazing. We get a really cute mini notepad that you can definitely use to decorate this, and then 2 enamel bookmarks. So that is everything that comes in this package. Please let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. I am in love with this theme. I think it's executed perfectly. This is just a really cute jungle, into the wild bundle. I can't wait to see what you guys think about this. And like I said, you can use my link down in the description below. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, you can hit that bell below and you'll get notifications when I come out with new videos. If you would like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can do that here, and you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.